Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited coins on TikTok in 2026. So as you can see guys, we are low on coins, but when we press this button, we can actually add unlimited coins to our TikTok account. So I'm going to press unlock. Let's see if it adds the coins, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, it says like negotiating tunnel and all this stuff. So we're just going to wait for it to finish here, as you can see, and we should have the TikTok coins. So, propagating changes, finalizing. All right. Oh my gosh. Yo, look at my TikTok coins. They're going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited TikTok coins just like this. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the website matrixmods.com, find the TikTok, press download. Before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is where we have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. But it's basically going to say like almost there, additional files are required. So you have to download these like apps, which are the additional files. Completely free, guys. You only have to do 2 of them, but you can see we got like Travel Town. This one's like down and reach level 9. So I just go to the app store, play it until I'm level 9. Like that is so easy, guys. But yeah, you just want to make sure you do 2 of these. You're going to be good to go. So that's how to get unlimited TikTok coins in 2026. No jailbreak needed. So peace out, my crew. I hope you enjoyed. But yeah, as you can see, guys, I just got to like play through this. And obviously, they're not all games. There's a lot of apps too. You can see like Mode Casino, World Winner. This one's like search and install. So yeah, peace out, guys. But that's how to get free TikTok coins 2026. And also, if we go to the App Store and type in TikTok, you guys will see it is super expensive. So let me just type it in. But yeah, you don't need the app installed to do this, by the way. But if we come down to the in-app purchases, as you can see, the coins cost a lot of money. So if you guys want to pay, that is going to be your situation. But if you clicked on this video, chances are you do not want to pay for TikTok coins. So be sure to try this out, guys. It's super cool. So you can literally get unlimited TikTok coins. And you can see we do have the anti-ban in here. But yeah, this is super awesome. So be sure to try it out, guys, or you're not going to be able to get free TikTok coins. So yes, it's super cool, but it fully works, guys. Just make sure you go to settings and you got low power mode off, and also go to general and make sure you got background app refresh turned on. Other than that, guys, you should be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get free TikTok coins, because this is super insane, guys. I've looked across the internet for a method, but I'm always like looking, but I couldn't find anything. But then I found this Matrix Mods, bro, and you can actually get free TikTok coins. That is crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get unlimited coins. And you can see we have this like video you can watch. So there's a lot of help that you can get if you're confused. But overall, guys, this is pretty easy. So I don't think you guys are going to have much trouble. But that's how to get unlimited TikTok coins 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super awesome. And it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But that's how to get unlimited TikTok coins 2026. For y'all who are depressed, like, guys, this is really, you just need to take advantage of it right now. So yeah, I mean, unlimited TikTok coins, very insane. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. So if there's something specific you want me to make a video about, drop it down in the comments. But yeah, this is super awesome, guys. Totally works. So if you need free TikTok coins, be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is fully working. But yeah, super cool, guys. So peace out, my crew.